Yeah.
Okay. Yo, check it. This what's going down. I'm your boy Ace. I'll whip out my cock and I'll stick it in your face. And this right here's my boy.
This is Joker, aka the Scarecrow. I'm just looking for some brain.
And right here we got my boy.
Snake Eyes, come and get a surprise. I got a bigger dick than most other guys.
That's no joke. But on the flip side of things, we in this crowded ass kitchen because we looked up on Google and they said if you don't got a towel to dry off your dog, stick him in the microwave. That's what we about to do.
Oh, what did you kill your dog?
Not sure. So we putting peanut up in there to dry him off. About 5 minutes, so. Okay. Meanwhile, while he's in there cooking, we gonna go listen to some beats.
There's lots of snacks and lots of soda. You can catch me getting high with dirty bands, we love to get laid. We ran a train on a fucking mermaid. All she had on was a coconut bra. When she bent over, she said, Aloha! She greeted me with a hula leg. I got a piece of that fin and I surfed that way. This rubber I brought sure came in handy. The beaches were nice and her ass was sandy. I ate that pussy like cotton candy. I stuck it in her pussy, then I stuck it in her butt. I fucked her all night in a tiki hut. I hopped on her ass just like a frog. She got a taste of my Polish hot dog. Facebook that shit, #1 blog. When bitches see me, they just get on their knees, sucking my dick under palm trees. Spread them legs, girl, about to do work. Open your mouth, girl, give you a short skeets all on your face. Tell me how my dick tastes. They call me the Scarecrow, looking for some brain. My cocktail is gonna drive you insane. You ain't nothing but a mark-ass trick. So get on the knees and suck this dick. I'm the one that they call the Joker. I'm always down for some strip. Poker, that camel toe has got to go. Get your ass over here and give me a blow. Be nasty, all on the mic. Suck my dick, girl, don't think twice. Busting nuts all in your face. Tell me how my dick tastes. Get nasty with it, get dirty with it, get freaky with it. Do big things with my big wang. Do big things with my big wang. Do big things with my big wang. Don't feel real big, real big. Don't feel real big, real big.
Let's go turn that hot dog. See what we got going on up in here. Think that dog's really hot. We got about 4 more seconds and we're gonna have our dog dry as fuck, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit. What was that? What the? God damn!
Oh, that dog is hot. That's a hot dog.
Oh, man.
Where the hell did Peanut go? Oh, shit. If you like what you saw, subscribe now.
By the way, there was no animals harmed during this video. This is another presentation by
The Dirty Bandits.
So,
Subscribe.
Subscribe now, baby. Biatch!
Quit wasting your time.
Cut that shit,
Subscribe.
Mark. That's a trick.